So they say eat like a king for breakfast, and one of the famous or most popular food for breakfast is of course cereals. And related to cereals, it might be granolas or oatmeals, right? But then to buy granola ready-made from the stores might be a little bit expensive, right? And it's so simple and easy to make granola at home. So why not make it at home with cheaper price and in larger quantities? I'll show you how it's done. First of all, of course, oats. But you need rolled oats or flat oats. And you don't want any other additives in it. If you see the ingredient here, it says ingredients whole grain rolled oats. That's it. It's 100% oats, and there's nothing but oats in here. And that's what we want, because we don't want any additives in here that's not gonna suit your appetite, or that's not gonna fit your preferences, right? This will be the star of our granola making today. Okay, so before we start with granola, it's important that you choose your favorite or preferred nuts or any kind of dried ingredients. For us, we prepared almond right here and pumpkin seed. And we're gonna put chocolates instead of raisins or craisins because I like them, but we don't have it in our pantry for now, so we just prepared chocolate chips. So let's start off with cutting some almonds and pumpkin seeds. Granola is not a fancy food, so the sizes don't have to be so uniform. Now time for toasting oats. Think of it as a sesame seed that you're toasting sesame seeds. On a low heat. In with the almond. And also the pumpkin seeds. It's important that you keep stirring this as much as you want and as often as possible. Now time for honey. So we're gonna let them cool here. So when the granola is cool and is at a room temperature, then we're gonna pour some chocolate chips over it. Or raisins or craisins if you like them more. So we're done making our granola, and if you have containers like this or even canisters, it's always better if you can store them here and then lock them airtight. So here is our granola, homemade granola. You know what's in here and what ingredients you used for this granola. So you can pretty much assume that it's perfectly safe and fits your appetite and preferences very well. It's not gonna have any ingredients that you don't like or you want to avoid. So that was simple and easy homemade granola. And if you liked watching this healthy and hearty granolas being made, please subscribe and like, as well as leaving a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.